How does a screen reader read the headings? First, let's see two examples. This is how screen readers read accessible headings.
Heading Level 1, Module 1, Accessible Headings. Heading Level 2, Unit 1, use real headings to organize information. Heading Level 2, Unit 2, use heading levels to convey a hierarchy of information.
This is how screen readers read inaccessible headings.
Module 1, Accessible Headings. Unit 1, use real headings to organize information. This means using built-in headings for things that are headings, not just changing the style.
Why do both of the pages look like the same, but in the second example, the screen reader users cannot use the headings to navigate the page content? That's because the headings in the second example are fake. When the headings are real, screen readers allow users to listen to a list of headings and choose which section to go. They can also jump between sections based on the headings. Manually formatting text is not the same as adding a real heading. As you can see, the instructor in the second example is highlighting the text she wants to make a heading and bolding it and increasing the font size so it stands out. Again, right concept, but wrong execution. If we're not using real headings and instead just styling text to look like headings, it may not affect the sighted users, but to the screen readers, they can just see paragraphs, just like the image on the right. So, how do we add real headings? It's easy. Using real headings to organize information means using built-in headings for things that are headings. No matter what platform you're working on, you can always find a drop-down or button that lets you select a heading level. It has different names. Sometimes it's called styles, or paragraph styles, or format, but it's always there. For example, here we are in Canvas. To add a real properly tagged heading, first go to the paragraph drop-down, then select your heading level, then done. Maybe you're wondering, how do I know whether I should choose heading 1 or heading 2 or heading 3? The answer is, when you're selecting headings, you want to choose the heading levels that convey an accurate hierarchy of information. Start with heading 1, then we have heading 2 and heading 3. Each represents increasing degrees of indentation in our conceptual outline. Also, don't skip heading levels. Do you want to know more tips about enhancing your content accessibility? Subscribe to follow.